Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Target gift card to Apple Wallet. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. You need an iPhone that supports Apple Wallet, a targeted gift card, a stable internet connection. Your iPhone should also be updated to the latest iOS version. Now let's begin. First, open the targeted app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, go to the Apple Store. In the search bar, type targeted app and tap get. If your gift card is not already added, tap add gift card. You can enter the gift card number and access code manually or scan the barcode on the back of your card. Once the gift card is added to your targeted app, tap on the gift card to open it. Now look for the option that says add to Apple Wallet. Tap add to Apple Wallet, then add again to confirm. Your iPhone will now save the targeted gift card in Apple Wallet. To use the card in store, open Apple Wallet, select the target gift card and show the barcode to the cashier at the checkout. For online purchase, you can still use the card through the Target app or website. If you don't see the add to Apple Wallet option, make sure your iPhone region is set correctly and your iOS is updated. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.